Hi, today we're going to talk about this product here that I have. Is Saw Palmetto. Uh, basically, uh, this product is very good for men for urinary tract issues, prostate, hair loss, inflammation, as well as for ladies too for hair issues as well. Again, uh, they come in the powder form or pill like this, either way. But again, check with your local physician or family doctor, I should say. And this I find is very good. So, especially men, certain age. So look into this. Always research. I'm gonna give a little information in the description box. Like, subscribe, and share. And once again, thank you, and I will talk to you again.